Now, after days of market silence amidst unrest, trading resumed at the Nepalese stock exchange. The Nepali stocks fell after reopening following a halt in trading from the widespread protests. The Nepal Securities Board ordered for the halt of all share trading on the 8th of September after protests by the Gen Z escalated. And this suspension had drawn heavy criticism from the investors, especially since the activists said that the market remained closed even after the unrest had partly eased. On resumption, Nepal's benchmark fell by nearly 6% on Thursday, extending the previous close losses. The Thursday's decline reflected investor concerns over the economic impact of these protests. The standstill in the business activity had come during prime tourist season. At the start of the country's peak tourist season, a Gen Z-led anti-corruption protest had erupted in Nepal, prompting several nations to issue travel advisories, warning their citizens against visiting amidst the violence. The shops, pubs and restaurants in Kathmandu's bustling tourist hub Tamil have reopened, but the number of visitors still remains pretty low. The Nepal Tourism Authority, hotel owners and trek organizers report numerous cancellations, with tourist arrivals down by nearly about 30% in comparison with last year. Many buildings, including hotels, were damaged during the protests, prompting calls for the government funds to aid reconstruction.
To look at the situation now, just before this incident and after this incident, in arrival, nearly 30% is down because 2 days were fully, the curfew was also imposed and airport was also shut down. But now everything is normal, so we are hoping that that arrival number will also pick up. Looking at the cancellation of visitors' bookings, nearly 8 to 10% cancellations are there. But most of the visitors, they are inquiring about the situation of Nepal.
And our correspondent Saloni Murarka has been tracking the story very closely for us and has sent us this report from Kathmandu. Listen in.
After days of unrest, Nepal's stock market finally reopened after being closed since September 8th. However, the Nepal stock market faced a turbulent session today. The trading ended early after the NEPSE index fell sharply by 6%, causing several suspensions in between. NEPSE has some rules set for extreme ups and downs. If the index moves by 4%, the trading pauses for 20 minutes. And if it moves by 5% before 1 p.m., the trading pauses for 40 minutes. And if it moves by 6%, and that's what happened today, the market closes for the day. During the protest, there has been widespread damage and billions worth of properties have been destroyed, leaving the economy at stagnant and the fragile economy that already it was. Many of the private sectors have been targeted, tourism is facing the setbacks, and thousands have been left unemployed. I'm Saloni Murarka reporting from Kathmandu for WION.